What's up? This your boy Taj. I just want to tell you that shit you just did was fucking hilarious from start to end. 23 minutes of it, that shit was hilarious. You slayed me, you slayed my soul, you slayed my. You gave me everything, you know. It was very insightful, opinionative, true, most of it. I mean, 'cause I watched I like the Bad Girls Club, and what you said exactly. Randy with the yes, you gave me everything. Let me see what else. The Lady Gaga, the I love Brandy. You know, glad you said nothing bad about her. So with the old man and the fucking shit on the, it was just hilarious. All of it. Just you gotta do it. Let me give you a suggestion for the next topic. How about I don't know, rude ass fucking uh, fast food managers or